If your compressor terminals aren't labeled, don't worry. You can still identify common, run, and start using a simple multimeter. Let me show you how. Step 1. Set your multimeter. First, set your multimeter to resistance. Make sure the power is off before testing. Step 2. Measure all 3 pins. You'll see 3 pins on the compressor. Now measure resistance between all combinations. Pin 1 to pin 2, pin 1 to pin 3, pin 2 to pin 3. Write down all 3 readings. Step 3. Find common. Now look for the highest resistance reading. The 2 pins in that reading are start and run. The 3rd pin, the one not included, is your common terminal. Step 4. Find run. Next, measure from the common pin to the other 2 pins. The pin with the lowest resistance is the run terminal. Step 5. Find start. The last remaining pin is your start terminal. It will show medium resistance, higher than run, but lower than the total reading. Simple logic. Lowest equals run. Medium equals start. Highest equals start plus run. What each terminal does. Quick breakdown. Common, shared connection point. Run, keeps compressor running. Start, helps compressor start. Pro tip. If your readings are 0 or OL, that could mean damaged windings or a faulty compressor. So, even without labels, you can accurately identify compressor terminals in just a few minutes with a multimeter. Simple, fast, and saves you from costly mistakes. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more HVAC tips that save you money. And drop your question in the comments. I'll help you out.